Hey y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning, all my divas and divos. This is another Get Ready With Me video. Don't have a face on today, nor do I think I'm going to. I'm cleansing today, so everything organic and natural, but I do want the hair up out the way. So, with the weather and this climate and the harsh winds, a girl has to moisturize, so that's what I'm about to do. Just take my spray sheen and go in on my scalp. This is going to be quick and easy. All right. Yes, get it all through there. There goes my growth. You see that? So that one right there I always tell you guys about. Okay. Now we're going to try the bun without the hairnet. And I seen a lot of you guys did try my style because I see your videos. Okay, so I'm gonna try this thick one because my locks are thick. I don't know if I'm gonna go for the bun or not. You have to get all your hair up in there. I want it a little bit further back. Now you guys see that length? I told you with real locks, each lock grows at their own rate and they're not all the same size. And that's why I was using the hairnet. I wasn't trying to slam. I'm not slamming nobody who got the fox locks. I just know the struggle is real with these real ones. And that's what makes it so hard to get it in one cohesive bun. Let me try this other. I'm going to try this. Okay. Make sure it's all in there. And you guys know I do not do tight ponies. Okay. But this is a variation of a lock I came up with last night. Now you see I have the shorter ones I'm tucking. I'm tucking down. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to, and I do it like this because there's no getting those little parts rounded, going around in a circle like I like it, like I like my bun, which is why I use that hairnet. It makes it so easy. But yeah, I'm steadily tucking. And it's okay if you have to double band what you're doing. See this one that's growing? Yeah. I'm just going to tuck that in the back there. So, brush my edges. So that everything is smooth. See that? That's a variation of one of the buns that I use. But what I'm doing today, you get a 2-for-1 style here today. I'm going to go ahead and pull that on through. Okay. And there. This is going to be my hair for today. And it's just a side pony. Now this can be a formal style, and it can also be casual. It's all in how you dress it up and all in how you make it. It can be boho chic, gypsy, bohemian, African, Asian, formal, casual, dressy casual. This is a go-to hairstyle for me. And like during the holidays, I will put diamonds and stuff throughout, but yeah. Okay. Let me stick that one growing one in within the middle of the rest of the locks there. Okay. And like I said, I don't do my hair tight. I'm not trying to pull on any strands, create any tension for any hair break. Okay. There's my faux baby hair. Okay. Let me turn all the way around for you guys so you can see. Ow.